Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox not installing and crashing. Chapter 1. How to fix Roblox not installing and crashing from folder. To start, in the search box enter %app data %, click on File folder. Now go to the app data folder. After on local folder, open the Roblox folder. Here, access the versions folder and you can run the installer file available on this folder to install Roblox without error. Chapter 2. How to fix error Roblox not installing and crashing, checking Roblox status. For this step, you can find multiple sites on the web where they show the real-time status of Roblox. It's J to determine if the error is external. A. Remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix Roblox not installing correctly and crashing, disabling antivirus. To begin, in the search box, enter security. Open Windows Security. Now in the virus and threat protection section, you can click on Manage Settings. Now you're going to turn off the switch, Real-Time Protection. Click Yes to confirm the process. After this, go to the section Firewall and Network Protection. Click on the actual network of Windows 11. After this, disable the switch Microsoft Defender Firewall. Click Yes to authorize this action. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.